Welcome everyone, here's how you use the front camera in the Fold 4. So if I open up the camera app and tap on this button here to flip, we're going to be brought to this under display front camera. This camera ain't great, it's only really useful if you cannot use what I'm about to show in a little bit, maybe a video call, etc. will get the job done. Now if you fold a phone so that it is back in the cover screen or the outside screen and you unlock, you're going to notice here we are now using this front camera here, which is pretty cool. But what you may not know is you can use the rear camera as a selfie camera. Yes, you heard that correctly. So we're going to open up the screen like so. We're going to flip the camera so it's pointing to the rear cameras. We're then going to tap on this icon here, and now cover screen preview is on. And once we flip the phone, you can see the preview for my rear camera just like that. If I tap on selfie, you can see we can now take selfie pictures using the rear camera in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Boom, just like that. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.